of 120 pupils at Nachukut primary school in West Pokot hangs in the balance after the school received a notice to remain closed pending payment for the land on which the school stands. Now, the burden of Nachukut pupils, however, goes beyond land debts to poor facilities. Now, the Ray Polo reports on the risky lessons under the sun. Take a look at the story.
+4.
The hard lessons at Nachukut Primary School appear too hard for the tender brains to crack. But with the thirst for an education, they soldier on.
Very good.
First, they are sitting on a debt. The school land price is still standing between them and their pursuit of knowledge. Now the school has been slapped with a notice barring its reopening in the third school term, from which students are to graduate to higher classes.
Watoto kama hao huwezi kusema wanataka official 2030. Hawa ni 30-20.
Hata tukiita watu hapo wote, tuambie hawa nani alifika class 7 na class 8 na akaenda form 1. Utapata watu wawili ama mtu mmoja kati ya 10.
The institution survives on one mud structure that hosts the early childhood education and development pupils. The rest of the learners perch under trees for makeshift classes, daring cold, wheezy winds and even snakes.
Chini ya miti pale ni fimbo, si eti ya kuua nini, ni nyoka. Ukiona hapa ni area ya reptile zone.
The school has only 2 teachers, one employed by the Teachers Service Commission and an ECD teacher employed by the county government. But Nachukut challenges spiral beyond classroom needs. The school is also thirsty for toilets and water.
Ile serikali nyingine wakaweka mawe na wakasema sisi tutachimba. Wakasema wametenga pesa ya kuchimba maji. Sasa hiyo mawe bado iko tu hiyo mark mpaka saa hii.
Juzi vile mvua ilinyesha ndio pia ikaweza kutusaidia. Tunachota maji ambayo inafurika na ndio hii kolera imesidi.
Even though the pupils strive to grasp the tough lessons, archiving reading materials is not as safe. Termites tirelessly scramble for textbooks and papers.
Unaona hiyo ubao, hii area ni area ya termites. Vitabu hata tukipewa na nini, tukipewa vitabu inamaliza tu 1 year, mwisho imemaliza.
Interlocked between 2 rivers, Nachukut child hopes the primary school will be adequately equipped to settle their learning. Meanwhile, even donor hand towards school building shrinks back given the school land ownership duel.
Naomba tu hata moroto, mboga kwa jina la Yesu. Kweli kuja vile ulikuja wakati ya kura na kuja uliba shamba watoto wetu hawezi kuhama na wewe huko.
Christine Pikiror, as other members of Nachukut community, can only pray that the area member of parliament will heed their noble call and rescue the school from a total collapse. Ray Polo, KTN News.